पहला वर्ड है एपिन्यूरियम, outermost layer of dense irregular connective tissue surrounding a peripheral nerve. Epineurium, epiphyte, plant that derives moisture and nutrients from air and rain. Episode, an event, a situation or a period of time in somebody's life, a novel, etc., that is important or interesting in some way. Epistasy, an interaction between non-allelic genes. Epistemology, the part of philosophy that deals with knowledge. Epistle, a long serious letter on an important subject matter, a verse later. Epitaph, an inscription on a tombstone written in a memory of deceased. Epithet, defamatory, offensive, abusive word, a phrase. Epitome, a person or thing that is a perfect example of a particular quality or type. Equilibrium, a state of perfect balance. Equine, relating to horses. Equipage, equipment and supplies of a military force. Equivocal, having a double or doubtful meaning, suspicious. Equivocally, in an unclear, undefined manner. Equivorous, feeding on one horse flesh. Era, a period of time usually in history that is different from other period because of a particular characteristic event. Irradiable, which can be rooted out. Eremology, the systematic study of desert feather and phenomena. Ergomania, excessive desire to work. Ergophile, lover of bird. Erratic, irregular in behavior or opinion. Erratum, a mistake in a book. Erroneous, based on wrong information. Erudition, profound scholarly knowledge. Escalate, increase. Escape, to get away from a place. Escapism, an inclination to retreat from unpleasant realities through diversion or fantasy. Eschatology, the branch of theology that is concerned with such final things as death and judgment. Eschew, avoid. Escort, a person, group of people, vehicle that travels with somebody, something, in order to protect, guard him. Esoteric, likely to be understood or enjoyed by only a few people with a special knowledge or interest. Espionage, spying. Esteem, the condition of being honored, esteemed or respected or well regarded. Estimate, a judgment of the quality of something or somebody. Estimation, a judgment of the quality of somebody or something. Non-form, eternal, continuing forever. Eternity, infinite or unending time. Ethical, connected with belief and principle about what is right and wrong. Ethic, the philosophical study of moral values and rule. Ethnological, the scientific study and comparison of human races. Ethnomania, an obsessive devotion to one's own ethnic people or race. Ethology, the branch of zoology that study the behavior of animals in their natural habitat. Etiolate, make pale या sickly. Etiology, the philosophical study of causes. Etiquette, rules governing socially acceptable behavior. Etymology, the study of the origin and history of words and their meaning. Eugenics, the science of race, culture, and human development. Eugenist, a person who studies method of improving the quality of human race, especially by selecting breeding. Eulogist, praise highly in speech or writing. Eulogium, a formal expression of praise for someone who has died recently. Eulogium, a speech, piece of writing praising somebody, something very much. Euphemism, an indirect word phrase that people often use to refer to something embarrassing or unpleasant. Euphesery and I write.